guys! Have you ever wondered how a volcano erupts? We're going to find that out today with a fun experiment. We're going to be making a volcano and seeing how it erupts. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. So the supplies I'm going to be using are foil, a water bottle, and a disposable plate. So I'm going to be getting this off because I need to get the foil up here. And I also cutted little things on the foil like this, so it would be easier for me to wrap it. Let's put that over there and then make this stand up. So let's start wrapping it. I hope this turns out good. Now this is how it looks like with the foil on top of it, and obviously there needs to be a hole where the lava comes out, and that's called the vent. And this looks like a mountain, but the only difference is that mountains are white and this is silver. Let's try and make this look like a real mountain with the help of these paper towels and glue mixed with water. So we have to put this paintbrush in the glue and spread it on this. So I have this. Whoa. So let's put this on this mountain looking thingamajig. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Like this. Okay, so now this is mostly done, 50% done, so I just have to paint this and it'll mostly be done. And this box, I'm also gonna paint it as like a little ground around it. That's so gluey. It's sticky. It's so wet. So now our volcano is dry and rough, and I'm so excited to paint it. And now we're gonna paint, but first I'm gonna tell you guys the colors. I have black, brown, white, and green. So let's start painting. First I need to put these in these bowls. There. I also put some water in these, and I have a little bit of water in this one. You guys might not be able to see it, but so I put these in the bowls, and the brown looks like hot chocolate. It looks so good. So also, let's just put this over here, since this we're gonna be painting most of the things brown. So let's start painting. Whoa. Well, it also looks like melted chocolate. The great type of brown. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm painting with chocolate. Even though this isn't like a chocolate brown though. Okay, so now I'm done painting the volcano. It's actually starting to look like a volcano. Also, the texture of the tissue paper, it makes it look like a volcano. And the wrinkles that are on it, I don't know how that happened though. Now, even though this volcano looks like a real one, we still need to add some more details with some black. So, I put black over here. Oh no, we didn't mix it correct. water in here, and we put the paint. Okay. I hope this doesn't stain the paintbrush. Yeah, so it does look like a volcano now, but look, we need to add those details. Okay, so you can put it on these little lines. So I guess that much is okay. Like that. Now I guess we're done with the volcano. We just need to make it erupt. Before we make it erupt, we should paint the bottom because we still need more details. But let's have it get painted. I'm gonna snap and it's gonna be painted. 3, 2, 1. Now's the time everybody's been waiting for to make the volcano erupt. Let's put this baking soda in. Then I'm gonna put the color. Like that. Whoa. And then the color. We need to make it colorful. Red for lava. Added the color. Now the vinegar. I should put my glasses up. And add this. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, that's so cool! You didn't even add that much vinegar though. That is so cool. I don't even know what to say about it, but like, wait, let's take these off. Like, I can't get words out. But all that hard work was worth something. And also, that red color did come out, and usually like magma, like bubbly, just like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.